What's going on, guys? So we're going to take a little intraday look at Amazon. Amazon looks like it wants to test 2700. Just going to be real, be frank. A lot of these tech stocks are absolutely hammered. A lot of them are beat up. So if you're constantly looking for the bottom, the bottom is not in yet. We are still within a big trading range on a lot of stocks. Momentum still continues to be to the downside. A lot of these stocks are in a bear market from their all-time highs. Amazon being one of them, 2766 currently down 150.5% on a day. This is a massive day for Amazon. Overall stock market is down heavily. NASDAQ futures down 360 points. So one thing that I do want to point out here is if you can go back a couple of weeks, actually, a month now, but if you can go back to that January 24th area when we kind of hit those lows, we had a lot of consolidation down there between that 2700 and 2900 area. It was about 4 or 5 days worth of consolidation before we, kind of ramped up higher and then got rejected and then kind of, back tracing again. So as we come down today, I would, it looks like Amazon's a magnet to 2700. If you're looking to play some sort of bounce, what you would want to see is a quick test of 2700 and then kind of a push off higher. If we can get a test of 2700, you might be inclined to try to bounce the stock for a quick scalp, for a quick day trade, kind of just a cash flow trade. One thing that I will be watching for the rest of this week is definitely some sideways consolidation, at least 1 to 2 days on Amazon. And if the market continues to get selling pressure, and we do start cracking below 2700, definitely is going to be an area for the next leg down on Amazon. Potentially, where does Amazon have room to go? 2400. I know that seems like a long ways to go, and it's entirely possible that we never see 2400. But just kind of looking at the daily time frame, looking at the weekly time frame, it's about that $2500 mark where Amazon potentially would have room to go before it finds any sort of significant level of support. The best thing and best case for the bulls right now on Amazon is that we get a back test of 2700 and then we get at least a multiple day consolidation right around that 2750 area, just due to the fact that we want to build more support. It was at 2700 and 2800 previously that we kind of lay down a little bit of a foundation. And anytime you have a lot of price action in a specific zone, you can kind of lay down that floor, or if you're kind of trading higher, you can kind of lay down that ceiling. So one thing that you need to keep in mind is the more times that you test an area, the weaker it gets, right? So as we approach 2700, if we do start to lose 2700 and we breach that area, then 2700 is going to act as a significant level of resistance. And I would, be pretty confident to say that we're going to be looking at another leg down on Amazon. The best case scenario, like I said, is we want to get down to $2,700 again, and we want to put in a multiple day floor between 2,700 and 2,800. If we can lay more support down between 27 and 2,800, I think that then would be your best opportunity to try to take this for a little bit of a bounce back into 3,000, which is going to be anywhere between a 200 to 300 point move on Amazon, which is more than self-sufficient. Definitely before we could even start to think about getting bullish on the stock for making all-time highs, or to start even making an attempt to run back up, Amazon would need to get over 33.43. So definitely to keep that in mind, guys. If you want to trade with me each and every single day live, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, as well as toss me a thumbs up on this video, completely free to do. If you guys are looking for a trading strategy, maybe you want access to both of my courses, one on how to scalp and one on understanding the process of why stocks are moving and doing what they're doing, definitely go to evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime member. It's also going to include my daily signals and watch list, as well as one-on-one mentorship. So I'm only taking on 2 more students for the month of March, just because I don't want to overload it. I want to have time set available so I can be able to help each and every single one of you guys who is a gold member, in Evolution Traders. But until next time, guys, I'm going to see you guys all on the next trading video.